Hello smart sapiens. Every atom in your body is forged inside a star. There are more than 200 billion galaxies in the universe and there are many stars in each galaxy. Most of these stars have planets revolving around them. So there is a very high statistical probability that life exists beyond Earth. The question is not whether the life exists. The question is whether intelligent life exists and how does it look. This is where Project Hail Mary stands out. It provides a very fresh perspective and imaginative ideas about life beyond Earth. Hello and welcome to another episode on Tanuvu Medical. If you are here, you are a science enthusiast who is very curious about life and humans in particular. Now in this episode, we look into life beyond humans. Project Hail Mary is a movie which has given a very fresh perspective of how life is likely to exist outside Earth. How does it look? How does it think? How does it behave? And whether life outside Earth exists in social harmony. We'll dive deep into it and understand a few more aspects here. We are not going to discuss the entire plot of the movie, but enough is it to understand that our protagonist sets sail on a long journey to save humanity, to save Earth, to save the solar system and life as we know it all. During his interstellar travel, our protagonist meets an alien Rocky, who is in a similar pursuit to save his planet. If you have not watched the movie, you can continue to watch this discussion because we are not going to reveal any secrets regarding the movie, but we are going to talk about the 5 main biological questions answered with a very sound scientific perspective. So the 5 questions are: number 1, why is life made up of carbon and water? Number 2, what kind of senses are aliens likely to have? Number 3, is alien supposedly intelligent? Does evolution always permit intelligence? Number 4, what kind of communication methods does alien life likely to have? Number 5, is alien life likely to be friendly? The first question is about water and carbon. This forms the central point of discussion in the movie about how life is built on these 2 elements. Human life or life on Earth is predominantly carbon based. It's not by chance. Carbon has a tendency to form bonds with almost every known organic element, with nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, etc. It can form single bonds, double bonds, triple bonds. It can form into long chains, it can form rings, it can form into any form of structure, and it is very, very easily soluble. No wonder life is made up of carbon. Water is another important aspect. Water acts as a universal solvent, allowing the molecules to dissolve, move, react, etc. So water and carbon form the central aspects of life on Earth. The protagonist actually proposes a dogma that life exists without water. In the later part of the movie, our friendly alien Rocky is introduced as probably a carbon-based life form, but with ammonia as the solvent, because he exists on a planet where water is probably sparse. This shows something amazing. Life is not limited to Earth-like conditions. The building blocks like carbon may be the same, but the solvent may be different. Instead of water, it could be ammonia. The second aspect is about the senses. Humans perceive a very tiny aspect of reality. We see a very tiny range of electromagnetic spectrum and we hear a very narrow range of sound frequencies. The reality or the truth is much wider. So what senses are alien life likely to have? Do they have something like a magnetic field sensing, like navigating their planet like birds without any visual cues of the planet? Or do they have electric field sensing, sensing life from a very large distances, sensing fear, sensing muscular movement, sensing nervous stimuli, etc.? Or do they have a very strong sense of hearing like what our friend Rocky has? In the movie, Rocky is projected as an alien from a planet in which there is no visual spectrum and it is very, very dark. So he actually sees everything through the sound waves. So how does he do that? He does that by very strong echolocation. It's like bats. He sends the sound waves and the reflected waves are assessed by his brain, giving a perspective of what he is looking at. so he can see in extreme dark conditions as well. Sound becomes his vision, navigation and social bond. How intelligent is alien life likely to be? Are they extremely smart and intelligent and can work like supercomputers, or they are likely to be less intelligent than us? This question also is beautifully answered in this story on the novel by Andy Weir. So, evolution does not favor intelligence beyond a point. Evolution favors life till it dominates its area, till the species learns to survive and till the species becomes independent. But beyond that, the growth of the species is by technology like what we see in human life. It's with tools, it's with machines, it's with artificial intelligence, etc. So alien life is also likely to have evolved to our levels of intelligence only. That is what is projected in this movie. So how do aliens communicate? In this movie, Rocky is projected as an alien who communicates through music. Sound waves turn into patterns, musical tones turn into meaning. Because music is mathematics in disguise, his calculation speed is amazing, perfect for an engineer who has set out to save his world. Is alien life likely to be friendly or aggressive? In this movie, Rocky, the alien, is projected as a friendly being who is eager to meet the human as the protagonist is eager to meet him. So, what is the likely reality behind this? If alien life is unfriendly, it is less likely to be social. In a less social, non-cooperative environment, science and technology do not evolve beyond a point. So if there is an intelligent alien species capable enough for an interstellar travel, cooperation and coordination are a part of their existence. So those are the 5 big questions which the movie raises, which the book raises and answers. Life doesn't follow rules, it just evolves to fit in its world. What feels normal to us? The temperatures that we live in, the air, the oxygen, the water may be toxic to somebody else, and what is normal to them may be toxic to us. Maybe humans are one version of many. With Tanuvu, discover the marvels within and beyond.